Founded in 1995 in Schondorf, Germany, Muster Sport is a leading company in the automotive aftermarket business that is renowned for its quality and reliability. With a long experience and a constant commitment for innovation, Muster Sport offers excellent solutions for all your car needs. Among the unique products presented by Muster Sport at Automechanika Frankfurt 2024, we can see a cabin filter that has been designed to guarantee fresh air in the car, protecting passengers from dust and allergens. The magnetic separator is an advanced solution to remove all metallic residues from the engine, improving car's performance and duration. The oil filter is essential to keep the engine oil clean and free of contaminants, ensuring a seamless operation of the engine. Moreover, we can also see the battery filters designed to guarantee a constant charging process and a reliable vehicle's ignition. Finally, there is the antifreeze liquid MSG12 Plus with its special ability to detect residues through UV light, offering an advanced protection against freezing and corrosion. Muster Sport stand showed a wide range of kits and special offers: 770 arm kits, 590 brake kits, 900 dumper kits and 190 filter kits. Besides, it is also possible to get invitations to join selling and purchasing groups, creating more chances for industry professionals. Muster Sport represents different high-quality brands like MS Germany, MS Automotive Germany, Japanese Korean Parts, AB Automotive, BB Bavarian Automotive Germany and HD Automotive Germany. Each brand offers specialized products to satisfy different market needs of the German automotive industry. It is also possible to visit the official company website so as you're always up to date on the latest news from the automotive world.